Once upon a time, in a colorful village, there was a magical bag named Bouncy. Bouncy wasn't an ordinary bag. It could talk and loved adventure. One sunny day, Bouncy's owner, a curious girl named Lila, forgot it at the park. Bouncy felt lonely, but decided to make new friends. A playful squirrel named Nutty spotted Bouncy and hopped inside, finding shiny marbles. "Wow, treasures!" Nutty squeaked. Then a kind bird named Blue dropped in, leaving a soft feather. Bouncy giggled. "You're tickling me!" Soon, a tiny frog named Hoppy jumped in, adding a sparkly pebble. Bouncy loved its new friends and their gifts. When Lila returned, she was amazed to find Bouncy full of surprises. "Bouncy, you're magical," she exclaimed. Bouncy whispered, "It's the friends I made." Lila decided to take Bouncy everywhere, sharing stories of Nutty, Blue, and Hoppy. The village kids loved hearing about Bouncy's adventures, and they all wanted to join in. From then on, Bouncy and Lila explored together, collecting small treasures and making friends. Bouncy taught everyone that even a simple bag could hold big dreams and wonderful stories